Hello, welcome, I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this video it's to accompany my Etsy listing, and it's for this drum just here. It's a beautiful oval shaped horse skin shamanic drum. If I turn it over here, you can see what we've got on the back. So it's a branch handle. I've actually put burnt into the handle here silver birch, because that's what it is. It's off the land here. During the storms last year we lost so many trees, but they gifted us obviously all of their beautiful branches so that we can incorporate them into these shamanic drums. It's laced with artificial sinew. It's on a willow wood frame. I put some information on the inside of the frame here with my engraver, Driftwood Hollow Drums, my maker's mark. Star sign symbol for Aquarius. Birthed on the 11th of February 2026, Knighton Powys, UK. That's for all of you interested in the astrology, and I've put horse skin and willow in there too. And now I'm going to play with two beaters, a firmer beater and a softer beater. This is a soft one. I'm going to swap over halfway, and both of those are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be your drum. But if you just want the beaters, these are for sale on their own as well. So let's have a play. Let's start with a soft one. Here we go. Gorgeous. Okay, let's swap over. This is the firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're choosing online. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.